Take 10,552.
I'm Skylar from Sydney.
I'm Eric.
I'm Sean.
I'm Patrice.
I'm Leo. We have a fun little dice project for everybody here. Sean would love to introduce.
So today we're going to be talking about Ship Captain Crew. In this dice game, you get 3 rolls. You have to get a 6, 5, and a 4 in that order to score. And then the 6 is the ship, the 5 is the captain, the 4 is the crew, and then the leftovers are the booty. The goal of the game is to get the highest score possible.
Okay. So say for instance someone bets you in a game of captain and ship. They can't bet that you would roll a ship on your first try. With the odds of that, what is the odds that you'll win the bet?
The odds we won't roll a 5 or a 6 first roll. So it's easier to start with 2 dice, and we figure out what are the odds with 2 dice. We won't roll a 5 or a 6. So in this diagram, we can just kind of count them out. But this is 5 by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So with 2 dice, there's 5. It's 5 to the power of 2 ways to not get a 6. That must be the same for ways to not get a 5 also. So we raise 5 to the power of 2. That's ways we don't get a 5. And then there is 16 ways to get everything else. So we want to figure out, we want to add a 5 to the power of 2, ways to not get a 6, plus 5 to the power of 2, ways to not get a 5, and then take away all the other options because we don't care about them. So if we do it with 2 dice, 5 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2, it's going to be 34. If we were to do it with 3 dice, we would raise it to the power of 3, all of them. 4 dice, power of 4. In this case, we have 5 dice, so we're going to raise them all to the power of 5. So this is ways to not get a 6 with ways to not get a 6 with 5 dice, plus ways to not get a 6 with 5 dice, and minus ways to get everything else. That gives us 5,226 ways to not get a 6 or 5. And with because 1 dice has 6 numbers, we want to find out how many total possible numbers combinations you can roll. So we just raise 5 dice, 6 numbers to the power of 5, which is the 5 dice. That gives us 5,226. And the total, over the total, that's ways to not get a 5 or a 6. Over the total ways, total number of combinations you can roll with 5 dice, which is roughly 67%. It's about, if we turn this, now we need to turn this into odds. Right now it's a probability. 67% is roughly 2/3. So the odds end up being 2 win to 1 lose, that you won't roll 5 or 6 in first roll.
Oh yeah. So for part B, let's say you do roll a ship and a captain on your first try, and someone then bets that you won't ever roll the crew. What are the odds that you accept the bet?
All right. So you've rolled a 5 and a 6 on your first try. Odds to not roll 4 with your remaining 3 dice are, so you're going to do 5 over 6 times 5 over 6 times 5 over 6, and that will equal 125 over 216. You then subtract 125 from 216, and that equals 91, and that's your lose score. So your chances to win are 125. Your chances to lose are 91.
And check.
Oh jeez.
Put it down.
Oh,